This is the first section of this book. That's like it's titled Forward. In this section, Wyckoff explained why he made this book, the purpose of what made him write this book. He even tells like this is something which he had learned for 45 years, he had experienced it, and after 45 years he has written this. So what exactly is this is what the first section is all about. So in this he says it is a method of judging the market by its own action. He says this again in the first 5 sections again and again, and says it is very important to judge the market by its own action. Then it is intended for both investors and traders who just look at charts, and investors who want to take a position for a very long time. So it's for both. And he even says anyone who's applying their knowledge, like he says intelligent foresight, who's intelligent scientific and scientific methods, whoever are applying that's called speculating. But if someone is just looking at the up and downs of the market and taking random entries and exit, that is called gambling. He says there is a lot of difference between speculation and gambling, and this method will teach you the art of speculation. He says that the inner workings of the markets, that's basically why the markets fluctuate, why the markets move, no one had actually came out and explained the process. And he says that there are millions of people, there are lots of people who are losing in $1 million or a lot money, and this will make even the angels weeps is what he saying, and that is the very reason he actually wrote this book. And then he says that many people who lose this money, they don't know what they are risking when they are entering into the market. He says, like literally he tries to say that give a man a fish, you will feed him for a day. Teach a man how to like get a fish, you feed him for a lifetime. So he says that he means that. And he says that with this method which is taught in this book long back, he and his clients have made a lot of money, and we know for sure what Wyckoff is and what Wyckoff's method is by now, and that is what he says. He just says this would be very important method for any technical analyst to understand, read and understand the fluctuations in market in detail. Also he says that it is not you will not be making right decision all the time. No one can actually do that is what he's saying, but yeah, you would be right most of the time as per this method. That's basically if you are taking 10 trades, he doesn't say you would be right all the 10 times. He's saying more than 60-70% of time, though he has not mentioned percentage, you would be on the right side. Like you just need 2 things, that is price and volume, and with it you can actually chart the market, make your own charts, or else on the modern days we have TradingView or other charting platform through which we can actually look at it. And he says, he concludes this particular video by particular chapter by saying, like a general plans his battle, we will plan our stock market campaign after mastering this concept.